Want to know how to find Telegram groups? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find Telegram groups. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your screen. Now tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen and search for the group name or copy paste the link of the Telegram group that you wish to find. Then tap on the group and you will be directed to the Telegram group chat. So this is how to find Telegram groups. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.